Dear students, open your textbook, page number 15, the comprehension for part from going for a picnic lesson. I will read the first main. A1. Who does these things? Write the names in the blanks. The first one, packs buns in the box. Who done this? Yes, Samir. So write in the blanks. Sameer, Samir. The second sentence, makes sandwiches. Who prepares sandwiches or who makes sandwiches? Grandmother. So write here Grand, grand, Mother, mother, grandmother. Third one, brings the football. Who brings football? Yes, Samir. So write here Sameer, Samir. Fourth one, gets paper plates. Who brought the paper plates? Yes, Sarah. Sara, Sarah. The first main is completed now. This now second main. A2, right, T true or F false in the boxes. The first sentence, Samir and his family are going for a picnic. It is right. So write T here. Sarah walks to the kitchen to get paper plates. It is also right, means true. Samir packs the buns in the blue box. Is that correct? No, it's a wrong statement. So write false, means F. Grandmother makes sandwiches for Sarah and Samir. It is wrong because she prepares sandwiches for everyone. So it is false. Father puts the toys basket in the car. It is correct, means true. So the second main is completed now. Let's move the third main. A3, match the words in a column A with the words in column B. Number 1 is done for you. Column A, column B. Buns, packs in the red box like that. Cakes, blue box. Draw line here. Cakes to blue box. Sandwiches, basket. Bats and ball, those are in the car. Paper plates are in the shelf. So the page number 15 is completely written. So let's we move next page. Dear students, here is a vocabulary family tree. Read the following words. I will read the words. You have to repeat once. The first person is grandfather. Next, grandmother. Father, mother. Sister, brother. So this has completed now. Let's move next. Dear students, look here. These are the members of Lina's family. Let's we know. First one, Lina's grandfather Madan Mahat and grandmother Kamalesh Mahat. Second one, Lina's father Ashok Mahat and mother Renuka Mahat. Third, Lina's brother Anil. So this has completed. Now look here. By using those words, we have to fulfill it. Fill in the blanks. Lina's dash is Madan Mahat. Madan Mahat is a grandfather for her. So write here Grand, grand, Father, father. Second, her dash is Kamalesh Mahat. She is a grandmother. So write here Grand, grand, Mother, grandmother. Renu Mahat is Lina's mother. She is a mother for her. Mother, mother. Ashok Mahat is the dash of Lina. He is a father. So write here Father, father. Dash is Lina's dash. See, look here. Anil. Anil is Lina's brother. So write here B already here. Write Rother, brother. Lina is Anil's sister. Anil's sister is Lina. So write here Sister, sister. The page number 16 is completed now. Yes, dear students, let's we move forward now. See, in the grammar part they given nouns. Then what is a noun? Just I will tell you the definition of noun. It is here. Words that name person, things, animals or place or called naming words or nouns. See, naming nouns means it is the word that express or shows person, place, animals and things. Those are called as naming words or else nouns. So in the example they given the sentence, just I will read. They given for read it. Nouns. Read the following sentences. First one, the plates are in the kitchen. Second, Samir packs the buns in the box. Third, Sarah picks up a tomato. Fourth, a dog barks. Dear students, what are the words you are looking in red color? Those are all nouns. Okay. Dear students, look at the C1. Underline the nouns in the following sentence. See, already I underline here. The first one, Sarah brings the plate. So here Sarah and plates. Sarah is the name of a person, means name of a girl. Plates are name of a things. So these are the nouns. Brings is a verb. You don't go for the verb now. Just consider Sarah and plates are the nouns. In the second sentence, look here. Grandmother makes sandwiches. Here grandmother is a name of a person. Here sandwiches is a name of the food, means thing. So these are the nouns in this sentence. Third one, Blackie is a cat and Ratty is a rat. Here Blackie, cat, Ratty, rat. These are the nouns because those are names of the animals. Fourth one, mother cooks in a kitchen. Means mother is a name of the person. We can call her mother. And kitchen is the name of the place. So the both are the nouns here. Fifth one, this girl is tall and beautiful. See, girl, we can consider it as a name of the person. And beautiful, beautiful is here adjective. Okay, this is an adjective. Girl is a noun here. Dear students, look here, one and many. Read the following paragraph. Dear students, look at here, one or many. Read the following phrases. One apple, many apples. One book, many books. See, we add s to change some nouns from one to or many, one to many. Look here, dear students. If look in the first picture, here is a one apple. Okay, we can say apple. An apple we can call it. Here or more. So more than two. So we can call it as many. Here apple is a singular. Apples is a plural. So we added s letter here. See, when we can see more than two things, we can add it the yes. So we are calling singular and plural, no, apple, apples. So you're considering it as a one and many. So if there is a one thing, we can consider it as a one apple. If those are many, we can add many, or else considering the yes. So apple, apples, book, books, as like that. Here many examples are there. Just have a look. Look, dear students, see one. Change the following words from the one to many. See, they given one. One cake, one girl, one star, one ball, one flower, one boy. So we have to change it to a many. Means plural. So cake, here is a cake, here is a cakes. So just add for this word C-A-K-E, cake. Here also cake, here also cake. Just add a letter yes, cakes. Here girl, G-I-R-L-S, girls. Star, S-T-A-R-S, stars. Ball, balls. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Boy, boys, B-O-Y-S, boys. See, this main is completed now. The next main, men or women. Match the men in column A with the women in column B. Number 1 is done for you. Column A, man, father, king, uncle, brother. Column B, aunt, woman, sister, queen, mother. So man, woman is done already. So father, we have to draw a line towards the mother. King, queen, uncle, aunt, brother, sister. So these are the pair of words also. Okay, let's move now forward. Here writing sentences. D1, look at the pictures and complete the sentence. Use words from the box. In the box they given clue, just we have to complete this sentence. Sania and her family are in a dash. Where they are in the park. Right here, P-A-R-K, park. There are many tall dash and beautiful on it. There are tall trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees, and beautiful flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers on it. Saina's dash and dash are playing football. Saina's father and brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother, playing football. See here, father and he. Sania's is playing dash with her mother. She is playing with her mother badminton, right? B-A-D-M-I-N-T-O-N, badminton with her mother. Her grandparents are sitting on a dash. Where they sat? They sat on mat. Right here, mat, mat. The food dash is near them. Means the food basket, basket is near them. Everyone is having fun. So this paragraph is means sentences are completed now. Look properly and write it. Let's we move forward now. Dear students, look here, punctuations. Just I will tell capital letters and full stop. Dear students, whenever we have to start the letter, we should start from the capital letter. Okay, after the sentence, we can put full stop. Okay, for example, look here. This sentence, look. There are many tall trees and beautiful flowers on it. See, it is after the it we put full stop. This is full stop. See, fun after we put full stop means it shows us the sentence is end now. See, all the sentence after the full stop we started with the capital letters. Look, after the full stop or come, see, everyone is having fun. So this sentence is completed. So we put the full stop. The full stop shows us the sentence is end. So here full stop. At the end of the sentence we are going to put, whenever the see a leaf is green, a is we should write in the capital letter. Whatever the names or places, whatever the sentence you can take, you should start from the capital letter. After the sentence, if we must and should be put the dot in the sense that is full stop. Just you keep in your mind this. Okay, next move forward now. Question mark. Question mark means whenever we start the writing or to ask something, means usually writing, it is considering writing. See, what color is a parrot? What, this is a WH question. Okay, what, we started with the capital letter. At end of the sentence in the question we are not putting the full stop, just we put the question mark. If it is an answer means we can put the full stop. If we ask the question to someone means to write the question means we should show the question mark. This is a question mark, this is a question mark, this is full stop. Okay, after question, after the sentence we are writing, no, at end of the sentence means end of the answer, we have to show the full stop. And whenever you start to write, you should start from the capital letter. So this is a small information they given for you. Dear students, now you go to the next page number 20. I will read the main D2. Rewrite the following sentences using complete capital letters and full stop or question mark. Dear students, they given here 6 sentences. We have to arrange it properly. Means we have to rewrite. See, an orange is round. So we should start from the capital letter and O-R-A-N-G-E, orange is round, R-O-U-N-D, round. The end of the sentence we have to put full stop. So concentrate properly. Okay, next. A parrot has a red beak. So write here capital letter A, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Has a R-E-D, red beak. Beak after put full stop. Third, what is your name? Then what is a, this is a question. So write WHAT. What is your NAME? Name. This is a question, means we should show the question mark. Next, the dog is in the garden. So write here now THE. The dog is in the GARDEN. Garden. Put full stop here. Okay. Fifth one, how are you? So write with the capital how are you. Put question mark. Okay. Sixth one, Anil and Leena are in Nagpur. So write here ANIL. Anil and Leena. Leena is a girl, no? Means person. So we should start from capital LEENA. Leena or in Nagpur. Or in capital we have to write Nagpur. Put full stop here. Okay. This main is completed now. E main, listening and speaking. E1, say the rhyme with actions after your teacher. I will sing this rhyme. You have to sing after me by snap your fingers, slam your legs, stamp your feet. Okay, by following this you have to sing. Okay, I will sing now. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, clap your hands. Dear students, this is a small rhyme. You have to repeat the rhyme and learn it. Let's move forward now. FE2, silent letter is here E. Say the following words after your teacher. The last letter E is silent. Okay, here E letter is a silent. Just I will read. BAKE, bake, cake, gate, face, plate. Second, bike, like, bit, side, slice, more, rope, home, bone, hole, cut, huge, tube, mute, flute. See, in these words the letter E is a silent letter. Okay. Next, E3, sounds of English. Okay, sounds of English. Say the following words after your teacher. Words: sand, sad, fence, tap, bench, dam, leg, shell. Okay, the next pair of words: bed, bad, head, add, side, sad, mess, muss, mess, miss, mass. Okay, see, these are the pair of words. Set of words: bib, bed, bad, hide, head, add, side, said, sad, miss, mess, mass. So These are the set of words and pair of words and silent letter. So now your textbook work is completed. Thank you.